Damn.
Guys, welcome to another exclusive episode of Automotive Projects. We're back. I know it's been a long time. This is an episode that people are waiting for. I'm talking about people are sending us letters, please guys. They're actually showing up to our house. They showed up to my boy's house and they were like, hey man, get in that video. We need to make more episodes. And we're like, all right, fine. We came to the shop and now we're here. We're making an episode. This is gonna be the best one yet. Guys, there's so much to do, this little time. But very importantly, I want to show you guys or talk to you guys about something that's coming up. It's our car meet. May 27th, we're gonna have our first car meet. It's gonna be hosted by Automotive Projects. All the guys are gonna be here. Matter of fact, we're gonna be showing off the Celica. We're gonna be showing off one of our first builds, the Datsun 510. We're gonna have the 260. We're gonna have another Celica there. A lot of beautiful Japanese import cars. We're gonna have some trucks there. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Please don't miss it out. May 27th. If you guys are local in the Bunker Hill area, I-10 area, you guys gotta show up. We'll get some pictures. We'll have fun. A lot of good conversation with cars. That's what it's really about. But most importantly, we're gonna have our merchandise there. We're gonna have good food, 4 hours of this great car content, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the episode. Like I said, it's gonna be the best one yet. We're gonna have all the information to the car meet on the flyer. You'll see it on the screen. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for all the support. If you guys haven't followed, go ahead and follow. If you guys haven't liked our videos, go back and watch them, like them. You guys are gonna enjoy the good content, the good laughter. And thank you guys. If there's anything you guys are wanting to see in this video, let us know in the comments below. Please interact with us. We love the interaction. We love to comment, reply back, and yeah, let's go ahead and have fun with it.
All right, let's break some stuff.
Oh.
Pretty much we're getting rid of this old junky suspension pretty much. As you see on the table, we have everything brand new from T3. Please sponsor us because we're broke and we're buying this out of our own pocket. But yeah, all this 50-year-old suspension is going to be gone pretty soon, and we're going to put everything brand new. That way the car can ride better and faster, and just because we put a Beams engine in here, so it's going to be definitely worth the upgrade for this.
Yeah, my son hasn't ate in a week because T3 stuff is so expensive. God, yeah.
It's an arm and a leg buying all these parts, seriously.
This is an old brake master cylinder, right? So this thing is huge. And it's already unbolted, so I'm just gonna pull it off if I can. Okay, there you go. So look how old, crusty this thing is. This thing looks like it's been through hell and high waters. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. And heavy too. Look, this thing is heavy, bulky. So this thing right here is being swapped out for this. Boom! Look at that. Small. Just for size comparison, check this out. That's like almost half the size there, right there. So this thing is small, light, and most importantly, this thing is gonna take up less room in the engine bay. Since we're putting a Beams engine in here, we have to have everything tight. Everything's gonna be tight, limited space. So this thing is gonna be a big upgrade. So even though it's smaller, same power, even more. You know what they say, big things come in small packages. Okay, now everybody says it. But all jokes aside, this thing it's a big improvement for stopping power. So it's gonna be bolt-on. The bolt patterns are the same. This thing you can order from Rock Auto. I think this is from, what is the MR2?
No, that's 86 Corolla Mini Booster.
86 Corolla Mini Booster. So Mini Booster, you can tell from the size, it's a direct bolt-on. It's gonna be a game changer here for this car.
Quarter.
Got it. All right, I'm just putting together the suspension right here. I got the bracket here for the caliper. Looks pretty good. Real good, real nice looking caliper. I just got it bolted up correctly, and yeah, continue to make progress.
Come on.
Hey bro, we don't have no insurance, dog.
Huh?
No insurance.
I can tell. And boy, are we getting paid for this? This is a real question.
Oh yeah.
Come on, baby. You're almost there.
Doing something here. I'm not just trying to hide behind the door. The brake booster. So you gotta get access to the firewall on here. But pretty much we're just doing a mock-up right now, test fitting everything. Because as you know, with brake boosters, there's a special tool they sell. You gotta make sure everything's measured out. So that way, when you go to push the brake, there's no space in between when you hit the brake and when it engages the booster. So if there's a gap there and it's not precisely measured right, then you know you're gonna be pushing the brake all day and your car's gonna keep going, and you're gonna smash in the back of somebody. You ain't gonna have no insurance. So you see what I'm getting to? We need to adjust this stuff.
Hey man, I got the part I was looking for.
This is for like 2 hours, bro. Where you been at?
Hey, what, bro? What?
It's a huge difference when it comes to the suspension parts. As you see here, my boy had to sell his first child just to get this part right here. But look at the big difference. We're definitely going with the bigger engine. These cars came with a 20R engine, some of them with the 18R engine. Now it's going with the Beams engine, so definitely need the upgrade for the stopping power and for the torque power that we're gonna put on this car. So huge difference on these suspension parts right here. Definitely worth selling your first kit for this.
Hey, but in his defense, bro, his first kid, he didn't even know that was his real kid. Like,
That's true, so.
Maury said it.
Maury said it was amazing.
It wasn't my son.
You are not.
And that's why he was so. Said dust is not so forgiving.
Oh, definitely not forgiving at all. I need some gloves so I can put your parts in without dirtying them up.
That part.
So I'm working backwards here. So I'm having to take out the booster because I forgot to put this in. This little thing here. This is what connects to the pedal. So when you push the pedal, this pushes the booster like that. But without that, you ain't gonna have nothing to push. You're gonna push and it's just gonna be like, ain't nothing gonna be engaged. So here we go. Gotta take it off again.
Thing up. We'll be good rock and roll, Bubba. I think I'm safe on the road.
The way they give it to you. Plus, if you look at this.
Well, this.
I put it like that because you see how it was like this. You see how this flat end sticks out?
Yeah.
Same thing here. And then this, I just flipped it to the other side.
Is that a rubber grommet?
Yeah, this is a rubber grommet. But there's no rubber grommet on here.
Too easy. I get the cutter and just cut it right here and remove it off. That would be easy.
Shoot! I stripped the bolt, man.
Sorry, man. Things happen. Things happen, bro. me talk to you over here real quick, bro. Talk to you over here, man. No. Yeah, we're gonna talk over here, bro. No problem. Move! Come here, boy. Oh, the pin?
Yeah, so you gotta buy that tool. So the tool sits on here, and there's a rod that goes all the way down as far as it goes. You lock it, you pull that out, and then you get the other side and you mock it up here, and it tells you, hey, I need to bring this out or I need to put it in. So right now we can just mock it up since we don't have that tool, and once we have that tool, we'll know how far to bring this this rod right here, how far to bring it in and out, so you won't have that pedal play. And as soon as you push that pedal in, you have instant stopping power.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If not,
you better start pumping the brakes. Yeah, so look at this. Look how good this looks. Look how much space you're saving here. You went from having this big old giant brake booster here to having this nice little compact, powerful brake booster here. So this right here is that rod. So right now we just have it mocked up.
We're gonna have to find the bolt.
This little rod here
I don't know.
is what you need to either bring in, bring out, or bring in order to have no delay in your brake pedal. Okay? So right now it's just mocked up right here. But man, look how clean this looks, man. This thing is, woo, I just dropped the bolt, but this thing is clean. Look at that. Got a lot of space here for your headers. That looks clean, man. Yeah, it's coming together good.
And I look real complete.
But you don't have to, you don't adjust these. I've seen people, they with the OEM bolts, they just put it straight in. Like you don't have to adjust them. You don't have to cut anything. You don't have to adjust the bolts. Like I seen a guy, like came with a bolt. I'm pretty sure mine came with bolts because I saw them there, and I'm like, oh, what are these bolts for? And I attached them to these. I'm like, okay. But if you have the OEM ones, you just put the OEM ones on there.
Okay, so I'm just gonna buy some grade A, grade 10 bolts.
You want me to bolt this something?
Yeah, we'll just mock it up. Yeah, help rigging, and I'm gonna assemble this. Let me just cut the tie rod on that.
I'm gonna put these spacers because these spacers have to go on there too.
Okay. So rusty, you gotta cut them off. No way I'm spending 20 minutes inside. Got pretty good clearance. There you go. Okay. Alright, there we go. We'll continue making progress. So we're done, it's finally finished. So the objective was accomplished today. So we were able to do a lot of things on this car. There were some things that broke, we were able to fix them, you know, some tantrums we throw them, but we took care of all that. But as far as the experience, it was good. We were able to make a lot of progress. When you talk about building a car, it's not just about dreaming about it and showing up to the shop and everything's gonna be, no. There's always complications, there's always strip bolts, there's always broken bolts, there's always things that are very, very always unexpected, but you have to learn how to deal with it. It starts in here first before it can transpire into what you're doing. Some of you guys got that, others are gonna have to watch it 3 or 4 times to get that, but yeah, when you're building, nothing really ever goes on easy. It just can't happen. But as far as my part, I was able to assemble the suspension pretty good, get it all going. My part was pretty easy. What about you guys?
So brake booster, as far as bolting on it, bolted on pretty good. I had to undo some work and get the little bracket on there, but for the most part, it went on fairly well. At the end of the day, we got it done. So it's bolted on now. So good news with that.
Everything went pretty well with tie rods and everything else. The only issue we did have is we need a certain tool to take out the inner tie rod out. But that's something that we can get part later on. But other than that, T3 tuning parts went in perfectly. The only thing I wish I were to have were bushings. We're gonna have to get some bushings for that, but it's all good.
You need bushings, so just rot it out. Don't try to use the same bushings, guys. You're gonna regret it. You're gonna have to work. Like I said, the lazy person works twice. My dad told me that, and it still sticks with me. So sometimes I gotta, eat my own words. But hey, do it right the first time, and you won't have to go back. But man, thank you guys so much for joining again with us. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. There's been a lot of you guys that sent us messages. Recently, we had a guy who sent us a message, just encouraging us, pushing us forward. But man, we thank you guys so much. Like we said, we have on May 27th, we have a car meet coming up. Come out and join us, man. Have fun with us. Have a good time with us. We're gonna be talking about cars, a lot of new builds. We're gonna have food, we're gonna have merchandise here. Man, show your support, come out, show out. And guys, we'll hope to see you there. And we hope for you guys, if you are first time viewers, go back and watch all the rest of the videos. Go like, subscribe, leave us a comment, guys. The comments are gonna be interaction between us and you guys, and we love it. We love to respond and answer any question you guys have. But most importantly, let's just have fun with it. Thank you guys. Automotive Projects here, and we're out.